Hello, this company sent me a grandma gift. Love grandma gifts, and I'm actually excited about it because I'm gonna give it to my daughter for my grandson to give to me. He'll love giving me this gift. It's so fitting, and I'm so glad it's not like a boring mug or a blanket. I mean, I might be a grandma, but I am not that old. At least I don't feel old. This is the product. So, oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. It's so cute and so adorable and so shiny. The gold color and the mirror effect are so attractive and luxurious. I love that. And look at this box. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? It says, "Ain't no queen like my grandma," and I am a queen for sure. Aw, that's so sweet. This would look great in a bedroom, in a living room, in a kitchen. I'm personally going to put it in my office. I think it's going to be great. And if you want a gift for a grandma that makes her feel chic and loved, send her this unique piece of decor. She'll love you for it. And, you know, aren't all grandmas queens? I know I am, though my family may argue that I'm a bit more of a diva, but this is perfect.